Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock and start your Mitsubishi Outlander if your KeyFob battery is dead. And if you find this video helpful, like it and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. This is going to apply to Mitsubishi Outlanders made from 2014 and all the way up to 2022. The reason why your KeyFob is not working is most likely because you have dead battery. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to unlock it, but it's not working. So to unlock the door, you will have to remove this key blade from the fob. So push down on this little plastic tab and at the same time pull out your key blade. When you have it out, just insert it in the lock and turn it to the right. And now your door is opened. Now once when you got inside the vehicle, you wanna put this key blade back into the fob. Now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna try to start the engine. And I have the message that key is not detected. And to insert the key into the slot. Now, depends on your trim of the Mitsubishi Outlander, you have two locations for that key fob slot. Now on my vehicle, which is 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander, you have slot right here. So what you need to do, you just need to place the key fob right there. And now, just normally start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle started. Now if you don't see your key fob slot in this area, the next location would be in the glove box. So simply open the glove box and that key fob slot should be right here in this corner. So, and again, if you have key slot here, just insert your key inside and start your vehicle. And when you need to turn off your vehicle, simply just press this stop start button and it's gonna turn off. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.